Welcome back to the third and the final part of the lesson, Animal Lifestyle. In this part, you will be learning about the movement in animals and the migration. Movement in animals. Animals move from one place to another for getting their food, for building their homes, and for protecting themselves from enemies or harsh weather. Let us see how various animals move on land, in water, or in air. All land animals have legs to move. They have four legs. Two front legs are called forelimbs and the two at the back are called hind limbs. You know, man walks on two hind limbs called the legs and uses the forelimbs, that is hands, for doing various activities. Animals like monkeys, apes, gorillas, etc. use their forelimbs for catching, holding and eating food. The forelimbs of monkeys are modified so that they can grip the branches of trees. Now, animals like cow, lion, cat, etc. use their forelimbs to move. Front two limbs are called forelimbs, whereas two at the back are called the hind limbs. Fish move with the help of fins. Frogs have webbed toes to swim, but on land they jump with the help of their long hind legs. Turtles have paddle-like limbs. Penguins use their forelimbs as flippers to swim in water. Reptiles like lizards, tortoises, crocodiles have limbs which help them crawl. Snakes have no limbs but they crawl on the ground with the help of scales on their body. Insects crawl by means of their legs. Insects have three pairs of legs. Insects like ants, beetles, and cockroaches walk with their legs. Grasshoppers use its legs for hopping. The insects living in water use the legs as oars while swimming. Lice, bugs, and termites have no wings at all. They move with their legs. Most insects have wings, but they are very different from the wings of a bird. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is migration among animals. You might have seen a lot of birds flying together. The mass movement of animals from one place to another and back is called migration. In extreme climatic conditions, some animals move long distances to find food and water, to escape harsh weather, and to find a safe place. So this sort of mass movement of animals from one place to another and back is called migration. The greatest migrator is the Arctic tern. Every year, Arctic terns migrate from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic Circle. You know, Arctic Circle is in northern hemisphere, North Pole, and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere, South Pole. So, a round trip journey of about 30,000 kilometers they travel. Each year, it spends the summer in Arctic and then in the Antarctic. That is about Arctic tern. Now, another type of migratory animal is wild bees. In Africa, wild bees migrate in large numbers. Whenever the area becomes poor in plant food, they migrate from that area to the another area where there is a lot of plant food. Eel is one of the best known migratory fish. Eel spends its life in freshwater until adult, then travels to the Sargasso Sea in North Atlantic to breed. Another examples for migratory fishes are salmon and shad, Indian shad. They are also examples for migratory fish. Now, the locust is the most dangerous migratory insects. Huge swarms of locusts spread across farmland and cause heavy damage to crops. They spoil all the crops of farmers. There are migratory butterflies also. Monarch butterfly migrates from Canada to Mexico. Then European stork migrate from Europe to Africa every winter. When spring comes, it does the long return journey. European stork is a bird. Fascinating fact. It is about the famous birdman of India, Salim Ali. He was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, sometimes referred to as the birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several birds books that popularized ornithology in India. So we have completed the explanation part of the lesson, animal lifestyle. Next you have to draw, color and label the human lungs and gills. You have to do this one in your EVS notebook. Read the lesson 2-3 times and understand important concepts. Then do the textbook exercises. Answers are given here for your reference. After that, complete the notebook work. Here are the question and answers and define the following. Both of these you have to copy down to your notebook. The copy of this PDF copy of this question answers will be sent into your class groups. Okay, children? After that, complete the notebook work. Here are the question and answers and define the following. Both of these you have to copy down to your notebook. The copy of this PDF copy of this question answers will be sent into your class groups. Okay, children? So with this, we come to the end of this lesson. Hope you all understood and enjoyed this lesson well.